Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. Unlock the power of n8n automation to boost your productivity, reduce errors, and focus on what truly matters for your business growth. Subjective decisions based on gut feelings can waste time, money, and effort. With automation, you can make logical, data-driven decisions that enhance reporting, increase ROI visibility, and save valuable resources, ultimately leading to more efficient and effective business operations. This ensures that every decision is backed by solid data. Workflow automation provides real-time data and predictability, allowing employees to focus on high-value work. Capture leads automatically and sync them seamlessly with your CRM using automated workflows. Never miss an opportunity to grow your business and engage with potential clients effectively. Automate invoice creation and delivery to reduce errors, speed up cash flow, and ensure timely payments, making your financial processes more efficient. Categorize and assign support tickets automatically with automated workflows to improve response times, enhance customer satisfaction, and streamline your support operations. Ready to transform your business with n8n automation? Visit survey.ai now to revolutionize your business. Don't miss out on the future of efficiency and growth. Empower your team and watch your business thrive.